go the extra mile. Definition: to make more effort than is expected of you. If you want to improve your English, you'll have to go the extra mile.
He shows zero initiative. He's not a team player. He's never one to go that extra mile.
He does usually go the extra mile. A few times, he's even cleaned the whole flat.
Sometimes you gotta go the extra mile with patients. That's what makes me such a special doctor.
I'm always willing to go the extra mile to avoid doing something.
But that's nothing compared to what this next man did. He challenged me to go that extra mile. And that man is Mr. Griffin.
Now, I've been thinking about it all day, and I have a plan to go the extra mile.
Hang in there. Definition: to continue doing something in a determined way despite difficulties. Hang in there, you will achieve your goals.
Just remember, if you hang in there long enough, good things can happen in this world.
You gotta breathe deep. Hang in there, buddy. I gotta go.
Please just hang in there a little longer.
Just hang in there and everything's gonna be okay, all right?
Just calm down, son. Hang in there. We'll get you out.
Just hang in there and we'll get you out of this.
You're better than that, Deedsy. So hang in there and know that we are always here for you.
I'm so sick of this life, Robbie.
Hang in there.
I don't know if I can hold out much longer.
Hang in there.
Why is he doing this to me?
Hang in there, kid.
Cut corners. Definition: to do something in a way that saves time or money but that reduces quality. The only way to make the deadline was to cut corners.
FYI, to pay for this vacation, we need to cut some corners, so we will be doubling up hotel rooms, and we are going by bus.
I don't cut corners. Not when the welfare of a child is at stake.
Johnny, let me tell you something. That is not the place to cut corners.
Look, Ned, you have to learn the way things work around here. People cut corners. You have to let things slide.
You can't cut corners in life.
Most trips I had phony paperwork. If the deadline was tight and I had to cut corners, I had no paperwork at all.
Wow, it must be expensive to produce all these cartoons.
Well, we cut corners.
Time flies. Definition: it is used to say that time passes very quickly. Time flies when you're having fun.
Wow, has it been a whole week?
Time flies.
Wait, is that the baby?
Yeah, time flies, huh?
Hard to believe it's been this long. Almost 8 months since we sat across this table and talked.
Yeah. Time flies when your life's a living hell.
Time really flies when you're spending it with your best friend.
Spooky how the time flies when one's having fun.
Well, how time flies when you're having fun.
Gosh, it is Tuesday. Time flies, doesn't it?
Sick and tired. Definition: to be angry or bored with something that has been happening for a long time. I'm sick and tired of working long hours.
I'm sick and tired of not being appreciated.
But I am sick and tired of you demanding and telling me what I can and what I can't do.
I'm so sick and tired of pretending like I do.
I'm sick and tired of people dying because of me.
People are sick and tired of all this confusion and chaos.
I can't. I'm sick and tired of people pushing me to be somebody I'm not.
I am sick and tired of being treated like I don't exist.
I'm sick and tired of everyone blaming this thing on me.
Lose your touch. Definition: to lose your ability or talent you once had. He used to be a good cook, but I think he's losing his touch.
It's just as well. I mean, last year wasn't very good. I think she's losing her touch.
What? I need your help. My life is being threatened by one of your students.
Just one? You're losing your touch.
Either she's losing her touch or we're getting better.
Like I said, you haven't lost your touch.
The rat is losing his touch.
Well, Victor, I see you haven't completely lost your touch.
Millions in structural damage. You haven't lost your touch, but it's good to see you playing well with others.
When in Rome. Definition: When you are in a different place, you should behave like the people who live there. I would never eat with my hands, but when in Rome.
I saw this in the paper. I thought we could give it a go. Body found in wheel well at JFK. When in Rome.
Any coffee thing, as long as I can't taste the hint of coffee, is good.
How do you take your tea?
Well, when in Rome, right?
It's the pancake breakfast. We do it every month.
I realize that. But sometimes you just gotta look yourself in the mirror and say, when in Rome. Wow, quite a drink order.
Oh, well, when in Rome. You know, Pam, in Spain, they often don't even start eating until midnight.
When in Rome.
A blessing in disguise. Definition: something that seems bad or unlucky at first but later turns out to be a good thing. Losing his job was a blessing in disguise. He got a better one.
What are we going to do? Where are we going to live?
Take it easy. This is a blessing in disguise. Earth.
You know, maybe the two of you splitting up is a blessing in disguise. I mean, there are obviously some problems in your relationship.
Well, maybe it's a blessing in disguise.
Yeah, maybe this whole thing is a blessing in disguise, huh?
I'll tell you, this turned out to be a blessing in disguise.
And in the end, this may be the eventual blessing in disguise.
You can say that again. Definition: it is used to say that you completely agree with someone. This is the best meal I've ever had. You can say that again.
This prom sucks.
You can say that again.
He is nothing if not a man of his word.
You can say that again.
Disgusting, wasn't it?
You could say that again.
Not the best way to spend a Thursday night, huh?
You can say that again.
Boy, you're sure not a guppy anymore.
You could say that again.
This is a disgusting display.
Boy, you can say that again.
I know it's really hard when you discover your dad isn't perfect.
Not perfect. You can say that again.